Well, how do you do, young Willie McBride? Do you mind if I sit down beside your graveside and rest for a while 'neath the warm summer sun? I've been walking all day and I'm nearly done. I can see by your gravestone you were only 19 when you joined the Great Fallen in 1916. Well, I hope you died well and I hope you died clean. Oh, Willie McBride, was it slow and obscene? Did they beat the drum slowly and play the fife lowly? Did they sound the death march as they lowered you down? Did the band play the last post and chorus? Did the pipes play the flowers of the forest? Did you leave a wife or a sweetheart behind? In some faithful heart is your memory enshrined, though you died back in 1916. That loyal heart, are you forever 19? Or are you a stranger without even a name, enclosed and forever behind some glass pane in an old photograph, torn, battered and stained and faded to yellow in a brown leather frame? Did they beat the drum slowly and play the fife lowly? Did they sound the death march when they lowered you down? Did the band play the last post and chorus? Did the pipes play the flowers of the forest? Well, the sun now, it shines on the green fields of France. The warm summer breeze makes the red poppies dance. See how the sun shines from under the clouds. There's no gas, no barbed wire, no guns firing now. But here in this graveyard it's still no man's land. The countless white crosses all mute in the sand, to man's blind indifference to his fellow man, to a whole generation who were butchered and damned. Did they beat the drum slowly and play the fife lowly? Did they sound the death march as they lowered you down? Did the band play the last post and chorus? Did the pipes play the flowers of the forest? I can't help wonder now, young Willie McBride, do all those who lie here know why that they died? Do you really believe when they took up the cause? Did they really believe that this war would end wars? The suffering, sorrow, the glory, the shame, the killing, the dying, it was all done in vain. For Willie McBride it all happened again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Did they beat the drum slowly and play the fife lowly? Did they sound the death march when they lowered you down? Did the band play the last post and chorus? Did the pipes play the flowers of the forest? Did the pipes play the flowers of the forest?